Hi friends, it's Kelly, and for the next month I'll be a guest designer for Scrap Diva Designs. And this is my unboxing video of the generous Happy Mail sent to me to make inspirations for the month. So I'm going to start with this super cute toaster die. You get two dies, and that allows you to make a shadow for your toaster in an alternate color and also make the back part of the toaster. You also get a couple of little dies for the handles and a heart. And so this die will make 4 layered flowers all at once. So I really like that. Quick and easy layered flowers. You can shape them with your floral tools. And here's the toast die. It's 7 pieces. You get the toast, a shadow for the toasting part, and an inside part. You can add jam, jelly, peanut butter, a journaling card. You also get the silverware and a scrambled egg. And that's going to be popped inside your toaster. And so the next 3 dies are all phrase dies with awesome words like adoption and grandchild. So you don't find those too often. The first die there has also little one and twins and new arrival. The second die has joy, love, precious, sweet bundle of joy, and oh baby. So I could see using that on maybe some different projects. And the last die has words that include welcome, baby girl, and baby boy. So this is great for new parents or grandparents too. So check out these shaker dies with the cute frames. One has hearts going all the way around, and the other one is just small dots, which I think would be really cute stitched with DMC floss. And the next die here is a planter, and you get a journal card or a greeting card that slips in the planter, along with all the flowers you need to make a big, beautiful bouquet. And this stand, I mean, like if you've ever wanted to display a mini album or a pocket journal, a travel journal, this is the die for you. It has a shadow that you can cut for the inside as well. It'll make it nice and sturdy. And finally, this cute little girl dress or dolly dress. You can use it to make cards or even a journal. And there's so many pieces that you can incorporate lots of different patterns and colors. And so that's what I received from Scrap Diva Design today. Thank you so much, Erica. And I can't wait to show you the inspirations I'll be making throughout the month. So keep your eyes here and at my Instagram, which is at Kelly Made It. Visit scrapdivadesigns.com and check out the Scrap Diva Instagram accounts on the screen to see what all the other designers are making to inspire you this month. See you soon.